Nothing is trickier than dental hygiene instrumentation around furcations. With some practice though, you can do it. Let's walk through how to instrument each furcation type on the Kilgore model PER 1027. The perfect model to practice furcations on if you're feeling unsure how to instrument these areas. Furcations on mandibular molars are located on both the buccal and the lingual sides. Now, if the furcation is a class 1 with just that initial anatomy exposed, you could perform a horizontal stroke for calculus removal. This is helpful to access that small indentation that can now easily harbor deposits. For a more advanced furcation like a class 2, using a longer shanked instrument like a Gracie is key. A toe is needed to protect the cementum since we're working on this softer tooth structure. Since these class 2 furcations are covered with gingival tissue, instrumentation is all completely by feel. It's always great to review your anatomy of teeth with furcations like practicing on a model to ensure that you know what you're feeling for. Also, using an exploratory stroke first before calculus removal strokes will help orient you. Once you feel comfortable with the anatomy, you can use an ultrasonic insert into the furcation with your channeling. And I think of this furcation as being like a W shape, which helps me better adapt around the area. With class 3 furcations, the attached tissue and bone have migrated apically so much that you have access in between the roots. To instrument this area, you can use a mini Gracie, 11-12 or 15-16 on the mesial of the distal root, and a 13-14, 17-18 on the distal of the mesial root. Treat these two roots almost like two separate teeth. When you use power scalers in this area, start at the top of the deposit and channel down to the base of the pocket with the right or left tip. These specific tips allow you to access deep into the pocket and furcations without hitting the curvature of the tooth that's super gingival. This makes adaptation in this challenging area easier. Instrumentation is an art and an advanced skill that you can hone in on with a typodont.